Sa mahigit 2 dekada ni Dennis Trillo bilang Kapuso, di maikakailang tumatak ang maraming niyang roles. Sa pelikula naman, di malilimutan din ang kanyang pagganap sa Green Bones. Dennis never fails to give life to every role he takes on. At ngayon, magpapatuloy ng pagpapakita ng galing ang Kapuso Drama King sa kanyang seryeng Hari ng Tondo kasama si Ruru Madrid. At sa GMA Pictures and GMA Public Affairs MMFF 2026 entry na Amir.
Sa dami ng projects na nagawa mo, ano yung one single learning mo as a person?
Siguro, bukod dun sa talent na pinapakita ng bawat isa, importante rin yung yung marunong kang tumangkilik, magpasalamat kahit dun sa mga maliliit na tao na kasama mo.
Ang kanyang galing at pagmamahal sa kanyang craft, kinilala ng pamunuan ng Kapuso Network nang mag-renew ng network contract si Dennis. Kasama ni Dennis sa contract signing sina GMA President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr., Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong, OIC for Entertainment Group at Vice President for Drama, Cheryl Ching Si, at manager ni Dennis na si Aguila Entertainment CEO, Katrina Aguila.
Dennis has always been at the forefront of the challenges that face us all as producers. And our success has been greatly influenced by his presence, his friendship, his person, yung pagkatao niya.
Dennis is one of the finest actors the Philippines has produced. He has portrayed so much role. Again, Dennis and Katrina, thank you for trusting GMN again. And as stated by our president, at least a decade more to come.
A true star is not defined only by trophies or box office movies or high-rating teleseries. It is also defined by the relationships that you've built along the way, your professionalism, your humility, and most of all, your power or your ability to move the audience in every role you take on.
Nakakatuwa na alam mo yun, lahat ng paghihirap na yun, lahat ng dedication na yun, nagbunga na hanggang ngayon